When it comes to action cameras, this time of year seems to be when all the main players release their latest and greatest iterations to the market, each promising to be better than before and better than the rest. Enter the ring, Insta360 and the Ace Pro 2, which promises to shake things up quite considerably. So far, we have seen GoPro release their flagship GoPro Hero 13 Black, and more recently, DJI has followed with their much-anticipated Action 5. Both have displayed improvements over previous iterations, while some users mention that the incremental improvements have fallen short of expectations. So, how will this latest flagship offering from Insta360 fare? Will it be a big step up from the already successful Ace Pro 1? The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 might just be your new favorite gadget. It has doubled down on some of its features to put it firmly in the mix and possibly at the top of the pile for features and quality. Now, before we get into the details, I want to point out that no, I do not have a GoPro Hero 13, nor do I have a DJI Action 5, so I cannot do exact comparisons between each of them. What I will do, however, is go through the main features that this new camera offers, highlight how they may benefit users, and finally share my overall thoughts on this camera and what it offers. The design is almost exactly the same as before. The flip touchscreen is back but has now been increased to 2.5. Not much, but still an improvement that will appeal to many, no doubt. As far as lens quality goes, the partnership with Leica is still there with their Samaritan lens, and it is still a 1/1, 3 inches sensor with 8K capabilities. Flow state is back, plus 360 degrees horizon lock, allowing users to ensure that the horizon will stay locked no matter what orientation they put their camera in. This will save time during editing and ensure that your footage looks as good as it can be without worry. Low light use was one of the standout features of the Ace Pro, and now this has been improved even more in the Ace Pro 2. It seems that not only do we have more light capture, but we also have sharper image quality with less fuzzy footage. This is achieved by using pure video and also a 5 nanometers AI chip, which uses computational power to adjust the footage on the fly. I have noticed that while looking at the footage on the screen while recording, I can see noise, but the final outputted file is more or less noise-free from my tests. For the rugged outdoor types, the Ace Pro 2 is still waterproof out of the box down to an impressive 39 feet, 12 m. Plus, you have the option of purchasing a separate dedicated dive case, which will allow you to go to depths of 196 feet, 60 m. Additionally, unlike the first iteration, the lens cover is now removable. This will help if you get it scratched during use, rather than having to send the camera back to Insta360 for replacement. However, now that it is removable, it's important to ensure that you have it tight before hitting any water, of course. The entire world has embraced AI now, and Insta360 has not only done that, but is offering some interesting options with this camera. It boasts dual AI chips for superior image quality and a pro imaging chip that will automatically enhance your footage depending on the scene you are shooting, meaning you will get the best possible output without the need for frustrations later in post-production. Speaking of post-production, a 5 nanometers AI chip will shine when it comes to editing your footage. Built-in features allow auto-editing of clips for you, plus you can still use the stylized overlays on your footage to turn your hot footage into fire footage, literally, using the Insta360 app. A fast-charging 1,800 mAh battery will allow you to shoot for longer and get charged up quicker so you don't miss the shot. A dual battery bundle is available. However, it doesn't come with a charging hub, so keep in mind you need to charge your batteries while in the camera body, one at a time. You can charge the battery using PD power from 0 to 80% in 25 minutes, which is great to see and have. I ran a test and recorded 4K video at 24 FPS on a full battery, and I was able to record 1 hour 37 minutes before the battery was exhausted. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is a highly impressive action camera that brings notable upgrades over its predecessor while maintaining the same core features that made the original popular. Insta360 has listened to user feedback, improving both hardware and software to offer a versatile, feature-packed camera that is easy to use and capable of producing top-tier footage. The emphasis on low-light performance, image stabilization, and AI-powered editing tools sets this camera apart in an increasingly competitive market. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.